G'day everyone, back at Greens Lake again today. Lovely day of 37 degrees in the middle of spring, which is awesome. What better day to wade out and try and catch some redfin in the shallows. Fish on. He must be little. Oh, he's tiny. Oh, that's a good start. Come here, mate. Let some more line out. There we go. Got a littlie already. 2 of the treble hooks in him. Just through the lip, I'll get him unhooked and back in the water. There's 1 out, and there's 2 out. Not a bad start. Littlie, but a goodie. Off you go, mate. Alright, so there's a school in front of me. See if I get another one. Oh, another touch. I missed him though. Another fish. Very good. Not very big again, but I'll take him. There we go. More line. About the same size. Oh, he might be a fraction bigger. Fraction of a fraction. Hook out again. Oh, look out, he's regurgitated a minnow. Look at that. Oh, he's got a few in there. He's a hungry little boy. See in his mouth there, if you'll open it again, there's a minnow just to the side. Hopefully he keeps that one. Tiny bit bigger than the first. Still not huge, but I've been here all of 5 minutes and I've caught 2 fish, so hopefully that's a sign of a very good day. They're upside down, there you go, and he did spit that other minnow. Another one on, guys. Missed the hook up, I turned the camera off to give it a rest, and then next cast, bang. So there's another one about the same size, got all 3 trebles in, all 3 hooks from the treble hook. Try and get him out, get that bottom one out first. Not easy. Maybe get this one out first, there we go. Now it'll be a bit easier. Grab that one, go this way. Grab that one, go that way. There you go. He's got some nice colours actually compared to some of the others. Alright, back you go. Oh, decent one. Whoa, hello. He's good. He's very good. That's a keeper. Look at that. There you go, guys, that first one I got, 32 centimetres. Not bad at all. Alright guys, I'm going to have to change spots. The white caps are crashing into me. There's so many weeds in the water, I can barely cast out 2 metres in front of me. I might go around to the lake behind me and try my luck over there so the wind's at my back. Alright guys, so I've decided to come around to the back side of the lake. I was down the track there over the hill. The main lake's over that way. It's connected via a channel that runs up this way. There's the main lake over there. So the channel comes down here. Got another lake on this side. So I've got the wind at my back now. I should be able to cast out further. See if there's any redfin on this side. There you go, guys. I think that might be the smallest fish I've ever caught on a lure. It is absolutely tiny, to be all of 7 centimeters. Well, at least I know there is redfin on this side. Oh, my little finger doesn't even fit in his mouth. Look at that. Yeah, let me put it next to my reel just to give you an idea of how actually small this thing is. It's absolutely tiny. Oh. Getting touches. I reckon there's more baby ones out there. They're all having a go at it. I can feel it. It doesn't fit in their bloody mouth. Alright, so I've only caught that one minuscule redfin over this side. I had another bite, but I got a feeling he was about the same size as the first one. So it's not too long before I have to get going. I might head back over the boat ramp and see if I can't get a few casts out there between the weed beds and maybe get another keeper. Fish. Hey, little one. Number 6 for the day. Not bad. I've only been here about 2 hours, so that's pretty good. Back to the size of the first few. Do you see the colour difference in the redfin? The ones I was catching here last week and the week before were a very sandy colour. But now, the water's cleared up a bit, the weather's getting warmer, and they've got the green and yellow to them as well. The fins are actually getting some colour in them, even though it's more of an orange than a red. But there's a definite difference between this fish and the ones I was catching a couple of weeks ago. Alright, back you go. That's it from me today, guys. I'm recording the outro in my car because I don't think you'd be able to hear me out there with all this wind. It was just getting too hard to cast out there. There's weeds all over the surface from the wind, and I'm getting smashed about by the waves as well, so I'll head home now. But thank you everyone so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you thought of the video, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. I try to upload as regularly as I can. Catch you all in the next one. See ya.